Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change or remove the arrow icon present in any app shortcut of Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one app shortcut icon, and on the left bottom you can see here one arrow icon is appearing, which is mainly known as the shortcut arrow icon. So in order to change or remove this arrow icon, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as WinArrowTweaker. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just click on download to download this application. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click to extract this zip file. This is open the extracted folder. Now we'll see the second file is the application. Just double click on it, click on next. Now here you can use the normal mode. So yeah, I'm gonna use the portable mode. Click on next, click on accept the agreement, click on next. So now you can extract on which folder you want to extract. So yeah, I want to extract it on the desktop and click on extract files. And you can see I have extracted on the desktop. Now just open this extracted folder. Now you will see here WinArrowTweaker, which is the application. Just double click on it. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So now just scroll down below. Now under the shortcuts option, you will see here shortcut arrow option. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here by default the Windows default is being selected, which is this type of arrow icon. So now I want to change it. So for this you can either select the classic arrow also, and you can click on this restart explorer. Now you can see here the classic shortcut arrow icon is showing up right now since I have changed it. And now if you want to completely remove it, then you can select this no arrow and click on this restart explorer again. You can see here the shortcut arrow icon has been completely removed. And if you want to add a custom shortcut arrow icon, then you can just select it custom, and you can select your respective icons, whichever icon you want to add here. So let me add one icon here and click on OK, and now click on restart explorer again. Now you can see here a new custom shortcut arrow icon is appearing. And if you want to restore it back, then just select this Windows default and click on this restart explorer. Now it will restore back to the default shortcut arrow icon. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily change or remove the arrow icon present in any app shortcut on Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.